In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a PowerPoint slide within just 5 minutes. Whether you're preparing for an important business presentation, working on an academic project, or just looking to spruce up your slides for any occasion, mastering the art of editing in PowerPoint is a skill that will undoubtedly come in handy. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to open your Microsoft PowerPoint application. This might seem basic, but it's the gateway to unlocking a world of possibilities for your presentation. Once you've launched the application, you're greeted by the PowerPoint start screen. This is where the magic begins. Now, to get to the specific presentation you want to work on, simply open your file from the opening screen. If you've worked on your presentation recently, it should appear in the recent list, making it super convenient to find. If not, you'll need to navigate to the folder where your presentation is saved. Either way, the process is straightforward. Once your presentation is open, it's time to access some of PowerPoint's more powerful editing tools. To do this, navigate to the View tab located at the top of the screen. The View tab is your gateway to various views and tools in PowerPoint that can make your editing process much more efficient. Within the View tab, locate and click on Slide Master. The Slide Master view is a powerful feature of PowerPoint that lets you edit the layout, design, and format of all slides in your presentation from one place. This means that any changes you make in the Slide Master view will automatically apply to your entire presentation. This is particularly useful for making broad changes like updating fonts, colors, or adding a watermark. Now, with the Slide Master view open, you can start making the necessary editing changes to your slides. This is where your creativity and design preference come into play. For instance, if you want to unify the look of your presentation, consider selecting a new theme or modify the current one by changing the background design or color scheme. You can also adjust the font style, size, and color for your slide titles and body text to enhance readability or fit your presentation style. Remember, while you're in the Slide Master view, you're essentially editing the template of your slides. Any change you make here affects all slides that are based on that template. This is incredibly powerful, but also means you should proceed with caution to ensure you don't unintentionally alter elements you intended to keep. Furthermore, if you're looking to make edits or adjustments to individual slides rather than the whole set, simply exit the Slide Master view by selecting Close Master View in the Slide Master tab. You can then navigate to the specific slide you wish to edit and make your changes directly there. This can include adding or adjusting text, inserting images or videos, and even including animations or transitions for that extra flair. A couple of additional tips to ensure your editing process is as smooth as silk. Always save your work frequently to avoid losing any important changes due to an unexpected shutdown or software glitch. And don't be afraid to use the undo function liberally. It allows you to experiment with different design choices without the pressure of making irreversible mistakes. To wrap it up, PowerPoint is an incredibly versatile tool, packed with features that can elevate your presentation from good to great. By learning how to efficiently navigate and use tools like the Slide Master view, you're well on your way to creating visually appealing and impactful presentations. Remember, the key is to experiment and find what works best for you and your audience. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become with the software's array of editing capabilities. That's all for now. I hope this guide has been helpful in teaching you how to quickly and efficiently edit your PowerPoint slides. With these skills in your arsenal, you're now equipped to tackle any presentation with confidence. Happy editing, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.